All right, this is worksheet 14.4, and we're going to look at 7 and 9, writing equations of sequences. So we have an equation for an arithmetic sequence. We have some information given. The third term is 20, the seventh term is 40. One simple way of looking at the sequence is to just make a table with your n and your t of n to see what this would look like. So we're given the third term is 20 and the seventh term is 40. So if you look at this table, we can determine the adder or the common difference by looking at the terms that are given. We know the change in the t of n values is 40 minus 20. And if we divide by the change in the n values, 7 minus 3, we can come up with the common difference. So this would be 20 over 4, which is 5. So this gives us our adder. We also need to know our starting value. So working backwards here, since we know that our adder is 5, we need to subtract 5 to go backwards in our sequence. So subtract 5, subtract 5, subtract 5. We end up with an initial value of 5. So our equation for this sequence is t of n equals, our adder is 5, and our initial value is also 5. So t of n equals 5n plus 5 is our final equation. Let's skip now to number 9, write an equation for an arithmetic sequence again. This time the common difference is given of 3, fourth term is given as 24. So here, again, an easy way to do this is to just make a table. We don't know the 0 term, but we know that the fourth term is 24. We also know the common difference is 3. So if we're going to go backwards in the table, we're going to actually subtract 3 each time. And then we can see that our starting value is 12. We already know our common difference is 3, so our equation is t of n equals 3n, 3 being the common difference, plus an initial value of 12.